Hello beautifuls, how are you today? कभी तो बता दो यार, how are you today? कोई बताता ही नहीं है मुझे. I literally ask everyone, how are you today? And nobody literally answer me that how are you today, guys? So let me know in the comment section that how are you today, and if you are doing great like me, then do hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. My name is Mona Irfan, and if you are my old subscriber and if you have always been here, then you're a buddy, and thanks for coming back to my channel. And today I have for you guys not one, not two, 10 tricks and tips about mascaras. And trick number one: whenever you buy a mascara, do make sure that it has an expiry date or a symbol like this on it. So it lets you know that you can use this mascara after opening the package for 6 months. So it also means that whenever you buy a mascara, you buy a packed mascara. Don't buy a mascara that's already been used and been tested. So do make sure that because you don't want to put anything that expired near to your eyes. It's a very sensitive thing. So tip number 2: whenever you apply a mascara like this, it has too much product on it. So what you do, you remove the excess product back into the cap. You can use this or you can wipe it off on a tissue paper. Wiping off on a tissue paper is not a good thing. I would suggest you guys to wipe it on the cap. Okay? So whenever you put it back into it, it will go back into your wand. Tip number 3: whenever you're opening a mascara, do not wiggle it. Do not put air inside your mascara, because it will ruin your mascara and it will make it much faster for the mascara to dry. So whenever you're using a mascara, do not wiggle it and put air inside your tube. Tip number 4: before applying the mascara, always clean your lashes. If you're applying after your eyeshadow, then I would suggest that take a clean spoolie and just clean your lashes. What it tends to do, if there is a glitter fallen on lashes, then the mascara, it will stick to the your mascara and it will not look pretty on your eye. So always clean your lashes before putting on a mascara. Tip number 5: if you want to apply a second coat on your mascara, then do make sure that you apply while it's wet. So if you're applying a double coat on your mascara, do make sure that you don't let it dry first and then apply the second coat. You apply the second coat while it's wet. Tip number 6: for the lengthening of your lashes, if you choose a mascara that has a tail on the end of it, like this. If the mascara had a tail like this, then it means that it has a tiny fibers into it that will help your lashes look lengthened. Tip number 7: if your eyelashes get clumpy, like I have, use one of these combs to comb out your lashes and remove the excess. I hope you can see what I'm doing, that I am combing my lashes. Tip number 8: if your mascara is dried, then use lens water. That I think a tip everyone knows, that if your mascara is drying, then use lens water and your mascara will work again. See the magic, guys? Tip number 8. 7. Tip number 8. It's 8. No, tip number 8. Tip number 8, I don't know. Tip number 7, I forgot what the tip number. You tell me, guys, what was the tip number? Okay, if you're applying falsies, then try not to put mascara right after, before putting the false lashes. Try to put the mascara and let it dry, and then you put your falsies on top of it. Then what it does, the mascara will not stick to your lashes, कि वो उसका मस्कारा अगर आपको लैशेस लगाते हुए कहीं भी आपका हाथ इधर उधर लग जाए और वो ब्लैक कलर आपके हैंड से आपके फेस पर आपका सारा मेकअप रुइन हो सकता है. सो ट्राई टू पुट योर लैशेस व्हेन योर मस्कारा इज ड्राइड really easily. Tip number 10. We're almost there. So tip number 10 is that the wand of the mascaras are really not an important thing. I bought all these mascaras. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mascaras. I have these 7 mascaras and I have literally bought them past 2 to 3 months and they are not expired at all. So I bought all these mascaras because each one of them has a different wand. I basically keep this small one in my makeup bag for the touch-ups. So all of these mascaras have a different wands and I thought that they have a different purpose. So basically they basically don't have a different purpose and the wand of the mascara is not important. The important thing is that your mascara should be waterproof. And if your mascara is waterproof, then it will last longer and it will be a smudge proof. And by mistake, if your mascara get on your face and everywhere, don't remove it right away. Let it dry and take a q-tips like this. So use some micellar water and you just wet your tip with it and you can remove that mascara. So that's a quick video I want to share with you guys, and I will definitely see you in my next video. So thanks for watching.